What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about some delicious, tasty, healthy breakfast smoothie straight from Sister J's kitchen? Yummy, yummy. For this smoothie, I am using flaxseed, yogurt, oats, blueberries, strawberries, and banana. I will be also using almond milk. I am using the milled flaxseed. I'm adding the strawberries, the blueberries, and the banana, along with the flaxseed and the oats. I'm adding the yogurt. I'm using 3 tablespoons of yogurt here. And here I have the almond milk, and this is the unsweetened almond milk. I'm adding the almond milk. I am using the Vitamix blender to make this smoothie. So let's blend. The strawberries and the blueberries are frozen, so there's no need to add any ice to this smoothie. So I'm just blending smoothly. And guys, this is what my smoothie looks like. My strawberry blueberry smoothie. Straight from Sister J's kitchen. You gotta try this quick and easy healthy smoothie out. Tastes real good. You gotta try this one out. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say live good, walk good, pray good, one love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Yummy, yummy.